Hey guys, welcome. So if you want to add music to Instagram stories without a sticker, follow my lead. So as always, just like I always would, press on plus to create a new post. Choose your video, we'll just choose this one. And well, we can choose a story. Okay, and then let's choose that same video, this one right here. Okay, then press next, then press on the music icon. And let's choose this music. Okay, press on enter. And this is pretty much the way you can actually change this. So as you can see, we can click on here, and there's, as you can see, going to be this sticker with music playing. In order to turn it off, just choose this crossed off circle that says music only, then press on save like this. And as you can see, there's nothing on the screen. It's pretty simple. You don't need to do any other shenanigans to be able to, pull this off. And then you just go ahead and post your story just like you always would. And there's gonna be music in the background, but no stick is around. As always, guys, enjoy the video. If you like our channel and videos, make sure to like and subscribe.